In this video, I'll show you how to make payments on Booking.com. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Now, I need you to log into your account. If you're using your mobile device, open the Booking.com app. Or if you're using your computer, go to Booking.com, log in using your credentials. Now we need to book a flight plus hotel here. Say for example, I wanted to fly from New York going to Los Angeles, right? Now what you need to do after picking your information here, all you're gonna do is search for flight plus hotel, and automatically you will be shown all the details like how much is the fees and the rates, and all you're gonna do is just click on the payment checkout, and you will be asked if you're going to be using a debit card or a credit card for that, okay? Or if you're using a discounted coupons. Or now also, what you can do is go here at partner.booking.com and how online payment works. So when a guest pays online, basically Booking.com facilitate their payment, then load it into a virtual credit card, which is the VCC, and send you a notification email. And the card is activated and can be charged as you would any other credit card on the day the guest checks in, and promising a seamless payment. Now, how the card is charged, all right? The point of sale, which is the POS machine, must be set up to charge credit cards remotely, right? And the payment provider charges your bank around 3% for using a VCC, and ask your bank if any other fees apply. And if you have a channel manager, say for example your property is connected through a channel manager, any bookings made using online payments will be identified accordingly. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you all in the next one.